A fan watched our AutoRevive restoration video, got fired up and decided to bring this Audi A8 with only 600,000 kilometers in for a full restoration, simply because it represents his glory days. Now the factory has closed down, and his hair has grown gray. The brother said, if he wants to make a comeback, he still needs his old buddy to hold the fort. Right now, the engine rattles when started, burning half a liter of oil per 100 kilometers. The brother has only one requirement, ready to start from the ground up. Next, watch how we at AutoRevive transform it to look brand new. You will be satisfied with the final result. Would you even take this engine if it were free? Without further ado, let's strip it completely. Stripping the whole car for a more thorough restoration. The usual routine: drain the oil and coolant. Engine separated. I'm out of the cabin, feeling good. The engine is leaking oil and coolant, accompanied by severe oil burning. You will be shocked when you see the inside after disassembly. Entering the major repair room to start the operation. This is the sense of ritual before disassembly. This is Audi's strongest engine. After watching this, you can dismantle it at home. Engine disassembly complete. High-precision CNC boring machine successfully set up. Starting to bore the cylinders, entering the hole precisely. Measuring data with a dial indicator. Honing the cylinder walls to restore factory specs. Cylinder boring complete, starting ultrasonic cleaning. Engine is ready and out of the washer. All necessary tools are fully prepared. All parts are ready. Starting our main event. Experienced drivers, buckle up, we are taking off. Engine assembly complete. Reinstalling the engine into the vehicle. Don't scroll away yet. Starting the exciting chassis work. The core engine and chassis work isn't finished. The brothers simply decided to upgrade to the new model directly, retiring the Dragon Ball headlights and upgrading to the new ones. The Horus lights illuminate the night sky once again. The engine wiring harness has not only aged but also shows signs of being chewed by rats. In order to let the brother drive it for another 10 years, the engine wiring harness is being rewrapped. Original engine wire loom plus high temperature resistant tape. Your old buddy is 10 years younger. The interior leather has large areas of aging and cracking. The brother said, since we are rewrapping the interior, let's change the color. For a change of mood, recommended a relatively high-end panda color scheme to him. This is the result after wrapping. It is softer than the original car's calfskin. The interior is about to be reinstalled. If this makes you feel relaxed, then please give us a like. The preparation for this D4 over the past month is complete. Successfully restored to factory settings, upgraded from Dragon Ball headlights to the Eye of Horus, preserving the unique classic vibe of the A8. Thanks for watching AutoRevive.